Hello, we are finally in Lisbon. It's our first full day here today. So we've been working, both of us have been working at different workstations so far today. It's coming up to 2 o'clock and very shortly we're going out. We're actually going on a bit of a mission, a utilitarian mission. I'm taking my flute to a flute repairer and they're going to have it for maybe a couple of weeks for me and give it a really, really good thorough servicing. I think the last time it had a really, really good one was about 2019, so it hasn't been done since then. I'm really looking forward to the result, but I think it is going to cost me quite a lot. I think it's going to be between 300 and 400 euros, but it's going to be worth it. This is just one of those costs musicians get. Anyway, so yeah, looking forward to that. We're going to get the metro there because it's quite late. It's already 2 o'clock. So we want to just get there relatively quickly. And then we're going to try and find a plug-in keyboard for my other half's laptop because he's finding he doesn't normally work exclusively on a laptop and he's just finding he's getting a stiff neck. He really wants the screen to be higher, so he's going to try and get a plug-in keyboard so he can then put the laptop up higher but type at sort of comfortable right anglesy way for himself. So that's what he wants to do. And then we'll probably do a bit of shopping, which I'll probably put on the other channel. We're getting on the metro. Yeah. Oh yeah, we'll just stand up then. Change trains now, and we got another short hop after that then. I'll tell you what, I'm appreciating doing this without those heavy cases and bags like we did yesterday. That was a nightmare. Oh, I've got an escalator for this one. It's a big one. Oh, the size of that. Blimey. Is this the way? Yeah, it is. I'm wondering if it might be quicker to walk, so we're only going a couple of stops on this one.
I'm just leaving you to it.
He's trusting me to navigate.
Well, you're an experienced hand.
Experience? Well, I haven't lived here for 20 years, watch out. That's... yeah. The half is randomly sat somewhere else. He likes wide open spaces, unlike me. I like to feel all safely tucked away in little nooks. Got a feeling I need to take that out of my phone case in case it affects the phone. I'm not sure. I had a quick look at the map. It's definitely this exit. There were 4 to choose from. There's a bull ring over there behind that bus there. Campo Pequeno. Well, my flute's gone in. It's gone to meet the fixer. He was really nice. And yeah, so that's gone in now for quite a long time. It's going to have a complete overhaul and hopefully it's going to come back smooth as anything. Yeah, the mechanism was knackered basically. So much the mechanism was all out of kilter because I've been having lots of bangs and clicks and it's just not been right, you know. And he said, yeah, it's got a lot of general wear and tear on the mechanism. But it hasn't got a warp because sometimes the bodies of flute develop a warp along the length and that can really affect the intonation. I was suspecting that had happened, but he said it isn't that at all. That's actually spot on. Well, there's a little bit of tension in some areas, but nothing to worry about, nothing he would fix. And also just needs a lot of consumable parts replacing, pads and little metal bits and bobs and corks and things like that. So that's all going to come out lovely and smooth. Oh, I'm so happy. Anyway, we're going to try and find a little cafe to have some food in now, a little bit of a lunch stop, and then we might walk all the way back to where we're staying just because we'd like to see the scenery of the city. So we found a shopping centre with a food court, and we've just ordered, well, these burgery meal thingies. I'll show it to you when it comes. It's lovely and light and clean and spacious, and loads of different outlets of different sorts to choose from. We've gone to this one here that's behind me now. Oh, I'm so hungry right now.
You wanted the egg though, didn't you?
Well, I did fancy an egg until I realised there was proper vegetarian options, so then I chose that. Yum, yum, yum. That's nice dip stuff. Ivy's got meat. Can I film yours? She said doing it anyway. and some pop to wash it down. Much needed. I'm very thirsty. This veggie burger is quite nice. It's like a patty of lentils and maybe some nuts and seeds and things like that. It's quite varied and interesting texture, you know, as you work your way through it. This is aubergine in here. Whoops, I stuck my finger in it.
I think on the past there's only 2 keys, which is different.
Oh, right, okay. We're just looking at keyboards in Fnac, I think, aren't we? Yeah. And we're going out now anyway. Just come out of there now. We're going to walk back to where we're staying and probably have a nap. We might go to Mini Press, the supermarket, on the way. We're going to see how much energy we have, otherwise we'll go a little bit later. Tired after that travel day. Ready for a sleep. I just said to IB, oh, there's a flying tiger over there. And as I said it, I thought, I bet he doesn't know that's the shop and he's looking up in the sky for a flying tiger.
Well, probably not that
Passing by a cute little park here, the bandstand, kids play area and a little cafe bar. Wonder what that is, that building there.
Something about the government.
Oh, something governmental. These buildings are massive. Really, loads and loads of stories. Windows, which windows? Oh yeah, look, they're all different angles. Heading down this way, this is the police station here, I do believe. The light's beginning to fade now. Oh, bus! Oh, missed the bus! Oh, she's running for it. The light's beginning to fade, and I've noticed like the car headlights are starting to come on a bit now, that sort of thing, and the sun's going down. I'm quite glad we're not going that way. Do you see there's broken steps on there as well? And just opposite, IB was even taking a photo of that temple there. It's magnificent. We've just got back to the apartment. It's coming up to 5:30 and I am so flipping tired. My travel day's got up with me. I need to go to bed because we were going to go shopping on the way back, but I was just saying to IB, I can't. I just need to go to bed for a couple of hours. So I'm going to go to bed for a couple of hours and I'll speak to you when I'm up again. I'm up again. It's 3 hours later now. It's about 8:20. And my goodness, I was out like a light, actually. I was really, really tired. I've just been pottering around trying to slowly wake myself up. I've just been putting my footage on the timeline from today to see how much I have filmed, and surprisingly little. I think it's just a lot of short bits and not very many long bits today. But anyway, we're going to drink this tea. He's working as well. I think, have you been working the whole time, or did you have a sleep? Yeah, an hour's sleep, and he's working the other 2. So, yeah, it's all right. I was just a bit done in from yesterday, I think. Yeah, so we're going to go to Lidl shortly. I presume it's going to be open till 10 or something like that. I haven't actually checked, to be honest. I should probably do that now, actually, because if it shuts at 9, we'd better get a move on. I'd like to make a curry for tea because we've got lots of suitable ingredients. Oh, the lights are mucking around in here. There's lots of suitable ingredients for curry, but not quite everything. So I want to get some lentils and halloumi and some maybe mushrooms and courgette and the usual sorts of things that I like to put in curries. It's loads of seasoning and everything. I filmed that for the other channel. I went through the cupboards and showed all the food that had been bought for us or that we were just welcome to use that had been left by the other guests. Yeah, enjoying the flat. It's lovely. Yeah, just a bit tired, I think. I need a rest, an early night tonight, I think. Mind you, I don't know if I'll sleep. All the lights are doing funny things. They're like automatic motion sensor lights, they are. But I've got a light on my camera, so we're all right. Yeah, they're very yellowy as well. I had a horror editing the footage from yesterday because I just filmed the natural light in here, not the natural, just the lights without putting an extra light on, especially. And yeah, it was very yellow. Hopefully this one's a bit better. Taken control a bit more. Right, I'm going to drink this up, stop nattering on about techie stuff, and I don't know if I can film in Lidl's. They're a bit stricter about it in Portugal, but I have managed it in the past without causing anybody any offence. So let's see, but yeah, I'm going to go shopping shortly. Well, we've been shopping. The shop is shutting imminently, and I've just shot a vlog, or a section of a vlog for the Shop with Imo channel, which will probably be out on Friday as part of that vlog. So you better see us buying it there. That turned into a bit of a mad rush. Can you believe I went out in my reading glasses? Still got them on now. So yeah, we went out, shot around. I filmed the shopping for the Shop with Imo vlog, which will probably go up on Friday, I should think. Anyway, I'm gonna start cooking a curry now for our dinner. Does anybody else find it really kind of difficult using a very unfamiliar stove? Yes, I do. So I've kind of made a curry, and I have messed up big time because you know that fake meat stuff, seitan? Maybe you do, maybe you don't. It's this stuff here. Guess what it's made from? And I did know. It's made from wheat. Ivy said, oh, I'm not being that strict. Don't worry about it. It's fine. So he's having it. Oh dear. That's the seitan packet, if you want to look. There's loads of rice in the cupboard, and I've pulled out this premium Thai jasmine rice, so we're going to have that. Do you know what? I'm rubbish at making rice on the stove. I always use a Pyrex dish in a microwave, and there isn't one, so I'm going to try and watch it closely, because the last time I tried to do this, Ivy actually remade the rice. He had to throw it away because it was all burnt on the bottom. Do you know, I sat here and responded to all my comments earlier after I got up, and the internet was gone down and I didn't realise, and none of them have registered. I've just gone back in now and it's all unhearted again and no replies. We'll spend ages doing that as well, so apologies. If you end up not getting a heart and a comment from me, I shall try and get to it again at a second sitting. Well, we completely lost track of time. We've already burnt the rice. Well, it's not quite burnt. It's all stuck on the bottom. I've stirred it, added some water. I'm rubbish. I don't know what to do with it. Oh, it's up hot. I'm sure that was up lower. I wonder if this is automatically changing temperature. Anyway, he's just finished work now because we're being flexible with our working hours, aren't we? And I just didn't realise how late it was. Well, that's a Super Box Zero being opened right now. Ta-da! I might have one of those. I won't have it yet though. I'll wait till I'm having my dinner, I think. Shouldn't be too much longer. Anyway, I'm sorry if today's video was a bit short. I was just a bit tired after the travel day, to be perfectly honest with you. I wasn't always in the mood to pick up the camera. But anyway, I think But anyway, to watch, no, I can't think of. Oh, I feel always awkward ending the vlog when somebody's sat opposite me. I'm trying to end the vlog and messing it up all the time because my boyfriend's sitting watching me. He's putting the telly on basically, but he's keeping it on mute while I'm ending the vlog, I think. I know it's on a low level. Anyway, sorry if I haven't filmed very much today. I was just so tired after the travel day, if I'm honest with you. Hopefully tomorrow we'll do a bit of sightseeing in the afternoon. Hopefully, let's see how work goes and things like that. Anyway, there's no rush. That's the joy of going for so long. There's no rush to fit everything into one week, and it's very nice and chilled out, I think. Do you think? Yeah. Anyway, to watch more videos from me, click here.